Beloved, we are gathered together here in the sight of God and in the face of this company to witness the joining together of Dante and Carrie in their holy matrimony, which is commended by St. Paul to be honorable among men, and therefore is not to be entered into unadvisedly or lightly, but reverently, discreetly, advisedly in the will of God.
Said it again, my heart's emotion. Every word feels like a shooting star. I'm at the edge of my emotions, watching the shadows burning in the dark. And I'm in love, and I'm terrified for the first time and the last time in my own life. And this could be good. It's already better than that. And nothing's worse than knowing you're holding back. I could be
May pangako na
all that you need.
magiging masarap ako magluto. Katulad ni Mami at ni Mami Lumi. Pero sigurado ko na pupunta ang mga kaibigan natin sa bahay, titikman ang luto ko. Ipagmamalaki mo dahil lagot ka sa akin.
Watching the shadows burning in the dark. And I'm in love. And I'm terrified for the first time and the last time in my own league. I only said it 'cause I mean it. Oh, I only mean it 'cause it's true.
I, Dante, take you, Carrie, to be my wife, and also my flesh, to love and comfort you, to honor and keep you, to care and to protect you, and strive you for the rest of my
Always
life.
be close whenever I'm without you. You said it again, my heart's emotion.